guys, I just wanted to talk about the pound USD because currently at the FX SSI level we're 50-50, and so it could be potentially a good short. I just want to talk about some of the psychology here. You would have seen on the bubble chart the pound bubbles over here, and so what happened over time is that the shorts reduced. Okay, and if the shorts reduce, then it's actually quite bearish. And I'll explain why. You have to apply some reverse psychology. Okay, so it's a little bit complicated, but it's not too bad. So the pound was over here, so it's strong buy, and it's gravitated all the way, a long way, over here. If it comes over here, it's going to be a strong sell, and it's going to join the euro. That's going to help the dollar. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the reverse psychology. So you want to come to the MyFX book, Community Outlook, Pound USD. So primarily we're looking at crossovers because there are signals, and so that would be well, they increased their shorts, so that would be a bullish sign, and you see it went up. And so what's happening here is that the shorts are reducing over time, and so that's actually bearish. And that reason for that is that if the shorts reduce, then, well, let's say if the shorts add, then that's bullish. If the shorts reduce, then it's bearish. Okay, so if they go short, the price is going to go up. If they go long, the price is going to come down. Okay, so just a little bit of psychology there is that what's happened is that the pound USD, or the pound crosses, we say, they shot up, and in that action they bailed, and they reduced their shorts. They reduced their short exposure, and that's bearish. Okay, and what's important to note on the pound is that we are below the pot, so that's going to be set your precedence. Note what I was saying on the COT data about the dollar as well, and also the pound. If you just have to go back to that video, I can link that video to this one just so you can see. So we know from a bank perspective this is actually a short as well. We've got the super trend resistance below the POC, and they still the pound really moved off extreme, and that's it got reinforced by this. So if they reduce their shorts even more, then obviously conversely is that the longs are going to be added, and when that happens we're going to get another crossover, and then we'll get a short signal when we get the crossover. So there's your buy, and we're going to potentially get a short. Okay, look at the specs, 50-50. And look how similar the volume, the 3610, 3671. So this is going to go one way or the other, but technically it's bearish on the daily. Sentimentally, dynamically, it's bearish because we were over here and now we're over here. If we cross that 50% line, then it's going to be a strong sell. So don't forget, this is the basket. These are all baskets. So this is the pound versus the Aussie, dollar, Swiss, CAD, Kiwi, Euro, and Yen. It's not just the pound USD. That's the pound basket. So hopefully that's quite clear. You have to apply a bit of psychology to it. Hopefully the crossover is quite clear, and just basically the reduction of shorts is bearish. Okay, because that means that there's an increase of longs, and because these guys are normally wrong, then it's a good contrarian signal. So I don't know if I explained that clearly. Hopefully I did. If it's still confusing, let me know, and then I'll maybe write an article about it or something like that. So we're just basically doing the opposite of the retail crowd because they're very counter trend, and they're prone for emotions, and they hold on to losses and things like that. So maybe I can show you what happened. Go to the hour maybe. So yeah, we saw it shoot up quite a strong way, and there was that news about the BOE at the next meeting, and they're going to increase the rate hike expectations. So it really did shoot, and in that action, logically, people are going to exit, aren't they? They're not going to hold on as this goes up. So what happened is that they saw price go up. They thought, well, okay, we're going to get out. It's a good time to exit. I'll take a small loss. That's fine. And that action, they don't realize that they're actually part of a big herd. they did it in a very big way and they exited, so they reduced their shorts. That action was bearish, okay? And we're below the hourly POC at 13622. Do note the SLC, the stop loss cluster, is at 1.36, monthly pivots at 1.36. So I'm going to follow this up with a video tomorrow. It might even be tomorrow evening, and we're going to look to short this because things are lining up for a short. So, and ideally, we could wait for this cross. So that's just a little heads up about what we're going to do this week. And also do note the euro-pound exchange rate as well, because that's really key. I'll talk about that tomorrow because I never did talk about the correlations between the two, and they're very strong. So that's that, just a heads up on the pound USD, and hopefully that's clear. If not, do let me know. It's important that you understand that the reduction of shorts is bearish, and it's all very, very naughty because they manipulated that price in order to go up, in order to sell, I believe, and they did make a good profit. So I've been selling every spike in the pound, and it's been really profitable. Because if you look on the daily, we're actually below the POC, right? POC's there, the point of control. And assuming that we stay below that, then we're going to be pretty bearish. So that's that. And also don't forget the COT data as well, which I'll link to this video. So I'll speak to you tomorrow night. Have a good evening and a good day, and I'll speak to you soon.